Here we got another segment working on the wood arm. This is made out of white oak. Here I got the hammer and chisel out, taking out chunks of the fingers, the palm, working more on the hand. You can see all the fractures on the back of the fingers there, which makes it real tricky for me. Don't want to hit it wrong and have a big chunk fall off. So we'll take it slow. Here I'm taking out chunks out of the palm. It's really satisfying seeing those chips fly off. Now we're making those lines where your palm and forearm meet. Now we're slowly shaving away the fingers, giving them more definition. It's hard because you want to make those pads in the fingers, and the tricky part is what parts of the pads you leave as you're working on the wood. You saw me using the scraper tool. Now I'm using a normal hammer and chisel again.